Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable parental controls on your MacBook. So in order to do this, make sure that you're logged in as an administrator, and to check that, open your users and groups. Here you'll be able to see which account you're logged into, and I'm admin, so that means I can change parental controls. Now let's move to the parental controls. So simply enter parental controls in your system preferences. And here you should find restrict explicit content. Now if you want to turn it off, you will need to click on turn off right here, and content privacy restrictions needs to be off. If you want to enable it back on, make sure that it's on right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.